Gold Part 2, the weekly analysis is out. It's a weekly analysis that I do pre-open. You can follow me there, Ross J. Burland at FX Street. You get notified when these are out. And it's a nice little insight as to what to expect for the week ahead and talking about the gold price specifically. Now, further to the prior video that's been posted, we have breakout traders in the market. Now we've got new trend followers here in the market. So it's pretty interesting times, and I've been beating on about this for some time in prior analysis from videos about these levels and so forth. For this video then we'll just do a quick recap. So we've broken this dominant trend, but only just, and we are in the realms of a correction. So we're talking about some price discovery, or aka the barroom brawl, where we can get chopped up, chopped out, and taken up, taken down, taken left, right. So it's best to sit back and let this play out. That being said, if we were to get a nice hourly correction of this bearish impulse, so we're slowing up here, some deceleration. It's not to say that this just can't roll over and continue down to our ultimate target, being the bottom of this 1,000 pip box from 1925 to 1825. Again, we've talked about this in prior analysis, but for the meanwhile, we've got prospects of a tidy correction up to a 38.2. Meeting 75, 80s, that kind of area, for a rollover into an extension of the correction, a measured move targeting 1850 or thereabouts, and then some more upside potential before the move down, or just a continuation lower. We don't know, but it's not about trying to forecast the future and trade on a whim. It's having a ballpark area of interest on the downside and the upside, whatever it might be, and acting accordingly as per your trading session, trading the equities hours, looking for those explosive moves based on a trade setup. So you've got to have your setup, whatever that might be. It might be 3 levels of rise for a short, 3 sessions of rise for a short. For instance, Asia moving up, London coming back into those longs, moving up again for a fresh high, then coming back into those longs, and then pouncing up into the first few hours of the New York session. Maybe Wall Street comes on and it just tanks, something like that, whatever it might be. And then your price action scenario, your structure, whether it's dojis or double, triple tops, whatever it might be, your edge in the market to get involved. So that's what we're talking about here. So yeah, go and check that out if you want to read more about the thesis behind this. We've got Fed speakers as the key feature for the week ahead, really, besides, say, the RBA, but predominantly we're looking at gold and the dollar and what could affect the price action for the week ahead. Taking into account, say, the daily chart, you've got this M formation, and these M formations tend to see a pullback towards at least the neckline, or maybe the prior structure, which aligns over here, which is a 38.2 of the daily correction, meeting the 1900s or thereabouts. So something to keep an eye on. Again, not to say that this just can't continue. I mean, this is impulsive stuff. It's strong. There's momentum in that candle. So there's not to say this can't just continue. But you don't get a free lunch in the markets, and you tend to see a pullback into these shorts, in the money shorts. So we'll leave it there. Good luck out there for the week ahead.